This is amazing! Apply Vaseline for 30 days on your breasts and see what happens. We all know that Vaseline has a wide range of uses. It is often used for rough skin on the elbows and ankles, for lip care, softening the skin, and can be also used for some unusual purposes. This amazing product can be also used for increasing the cup size of your breasts. This unusual use can be performed at home. You only have to put some toothpaste on the nipples and rub the Vaseline on your breasts. Do this amazing technique every night until you get desired results. You will be surprised by the results. The method is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to rub Vaseline all over your breast, and then to put toothpaste on your nipple. You should repeat this method every night until you get the desired results, and believe me, you will be amazed. Here are the most effective uses of Vaseline for beauty purposes. Get rid of glue from the eyelashes by rubbing it on the lashes after shaving. Make a mixture between sea salt and Vaseline and exfoliate your skin. Avoid spray tan streaks by putting some Vaseline on back of the knees and ankles. Get rid of stains of makeup from your clothes. Makes your shoes look new. You can also make your eyebrow plucking easier. Removing makeup. Apply some Vaseline on the teeth in order to prevent the lipstick to smudge. Apply some Vaseline on your neck, arms and face for soft skin. Apply some Vaseline on the areas where you put perfume, wrists, cleavage, neck. Get soft and luscious lips and cure cracked and dry lips. You can also mix cool powder and Vaseline and make your own lip balm. Or dry cuticles. Help your eyelashes grow and also thicken them. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day.
You